Okay, I'm gonna record the release process for all these modules because I have about 15 minutes before my next call, and I think I can get into it in that time. So we're gonna start by opening up the package JSONs and open the version. This is a minor version because it can work with the files from the previous version. So I'm going to go through and bump the version on everything that needs release. And this takes a little minute. I don't know if this is something that gets automated, but basically all this stuff needs automation. Alright, so we'll go to this module here. The connect module is going to get merged back into the encrypted block store. If you look at the dependency graph of how it works, it just makes sense. And then the S3 one will get pulled out to its own top level like these others. Skipping this for now. It doesn't need a release until we clean it up. Then, since this depends on the new connect module, we'll want to go ahead and bump it. And while we're in PartyKit, I really want to update this party socket to the latest version. So I'm gonna just do it. I think I should restrain myself, but I'm not. And so there's probably something I can type to do that. I'm not the kind of guy who wants to remember weird extra commands. Oh, see, that's what it is. It's just kind of, computer really wants to keep me on track here. Make sure I use PNPM instead of NPM, etc. All right, we got us a good fresh party socket. We got us a good fresh Web3 storage pail. I didn't mention yet, this is why we're doing this update. It adds some cool features. Mostly I just want to stay up to date. It's fun that they've got a version bump here because a new feature, but we don't have a major version bump yet because it's backwards compatible. So that's the kind of stuff you kind of got to work out as an engineer looking at it. Can't be automated. Now, if I think I've got all my versions bumped on the connectors, and then I've got the adapters. So this will make sure that adapter brings in the latest version of the package from Fireproof Core. I should maybe do a peer package thing. I don't know about changing the API like that. It would mean that I don't have to do these kind of just version bump releases. And so here, why this all works is because we're in PNPM. When I finally get around to the last two here, for instance, they all pull in these workspace versions of the dependencies. And so in this case, it means that it'll get the latest version of Fireproof Core that we're just putting together as a release. Oh, I'm burning so much time. All right, let's do this. Got to do it in the right order. And oh yeah, I was very picky. New version numbers, and then this is going to create some version files, so I'm going to check those in. But first we're going to do this business, and let's see, 5 minutes, right? That should be enough time for anybody. So good, we got that released. Now want to do oh yeah. Alright, publish that. 10 minutes to my call. This one moves the readme around during the publish, and then it's going to delete that automatically when publish succeeds. This one's cool too. It does a smoke test, so it's like in here running a little node program and a browser build. It's not going to publish if those don't pass. Alright, and then we want to do the version file again, and to the connect module. There we go. I do not want to see this give me any grief. Okay. You know what? This happens to me a lot. This is going to be a thing to keep up with when we automate. Oh, maybe I already did it. Okay, I'm clean. Cool. Sometimes I don't get my PMPMIs done, and then I end up building on old versions, and that's no fun. So we're safe this time. All right. So let's do this Netlify one. Yeah, all right. I think we're gonna make it. You can see how this should be automated. This just makes sense. Ooh. Oh. Don't like it. Okay. Oh, that's fine. I can fix that like this for now, but that's a bug over here. So I'm gonna have to go do another release on when we pull this out to its own module, I guess, because we shouldn't be changing that signature. All right. S3 constructor signature update. So what's going on here is these are URLs to the free bucket that Fireproof provides for experimentation. This stuff's all temporary, and I think, you know, as a user, you'd understand that you're stepping into risky land if you use the thing, which I'm labeling those free. As we go into the next release, it'll be clearer when you're using a temporary one. Alright, so I guess I need to bump the version here. And so the deal with that is just that I didn't get to the top of the package.json because I was too excited about the update here. Alright. And now just the last two. Hopefully these are clean. I don't want any surprises. I only got a couple minutes left. And yeah, wouldn't it be cool if all this is automated and I didn't have to remember the right order to do the steps in? It's scary though, because as you can see, there's a little bit of stuff that comes up in the process. I thought I was going to be more than 5 minutes. I think that's the last one now. All right. I think I can call it. And thanks for whoever watches this and agrees that it would be great if this were all automated and wants to jump in and help. Thanks.